Hello friends, welcome to the most important preliminary lecture of the course, that is niche research. In this lecture we are going to learn how to select a niche for our affiliate marketing business, and most importantly how to select a profitable niche. So what is a niche? A niche is the main essence of your blog or website, which defines what your blog is all about. For example, if your blog or website is all about teeth whitening or electric toothbrush, then teeth whitening is your niche. If you are writing all about guitar, then guitar is your niche. Niche selection basically is very easy to select, where you can select any niche as you like, but we have to learn how to select a profitable niche if we want to succeed in the affiliate marketing business. So what is a profitable niche? A profitable niche is a niche where you get good commission rate for the products that you promote, and along with those niche are having medium or low competition and are easy to rank on Google, so that we can easily within a small period of time bring traffic to our website and can convert them and receive affiliate commission. Many people make a mistake in choosing a niche on whatever they like and without even proper research or strategy on whether that niche is saturated or highly competitive or what are the competitive keywords. They just write and try to rank on highly competitive niche or niche keywords, and what happens is it takes a lot of time for them to see any profitable result from their website. However, we don't have to make these mistakes. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to do a proper research and steps on how to take a profitable niche and how to rank within small period of time, within 2 to 3 months, how we can go from $0 to $1,000, such kind of a niche. So let's get inside the steps to be taken to how to select a profitable niche. The step 1 to selecting a profitable niche is to create a list of the best niches you like or you're passionate about. I have written list top 5 passionate niche, but you can write down a list of top niches. I've created a spreadsheet also, so you can create a top list of all the niches that you like or you're passionate about. Don't make a mistake of listing a niche you don't like or have no knowledge about, because in order to succeed affiliate marketing, you have to write a good content article on different niches, on whatever niche you pick, and you have to write extensively. So you must be a person, so you must pick a niche that you like or are passionate about, on which you can write and you have expertise or knowledge about. So that is the step 1. But here we are just listing out all the niches, that are the possible niches. We are not selecting currently. We are just listing out all the possible niches for our affiliate marketing business. The second step is to find out the commission structure and available products. Now, under affiliate marketing, there are many affiliate offers and affiliate networks where we can promote products, but currently starting from the scratch, and basically we will go with Amazon affiliate currently. In the future lectures I will show you different other affiliate networks which we can use to benefit, but currently we are going with Amazon affiliate network. So we are going to search about Amazon structures, rates. So all you have to do is just go to Google and search Amazon associate commission structure. Whatever your country would be, you will have a blog written by Amazon on different rate of percentage they provide. So here we can see different product categories and the commission structure that Amazon pays to people. It goes from 0 to 10%. The low ticket item, that is products that are within $10 to $40, might have high percentage ratios, while high ticket items such as mobile phone, which might go from $200 to $1,000, might have 2.5% commission rate. So they have different commission rate for different products. So you can list, so under step 1, when you have listed all the niche you like about, against those niche, write down whatever are the commission structure you can find against that niche. For example, if you're going for a mobile niche or technological niche, you can have a commission structure of 2.5, 2.54 for mobile accessories. If you're going for healthcare products, then you can have around 8%, I guess. Health and personal care 8%. So different commission structure for different products, so you can listen. Also, please check out below, there might be some products listed which might have low commission rate. For example, these mobile phones might have only 1% fixed commission rate. So if you promote these products, you might only get 1% commission rate irrespective of whatever the standard rate is. And also below they would have written a list of products that are excluded from your affiliate commission, that is flight bookings, gift cards. These all products are excluded. So iPhone X, XR, if you promote iPhone X, XR, X6s, and if you sell any of these products on your website and from Amazon, you will never receive any commission on that, even though these products were sold from your website. So go and check thoroughly your niche and write down different commission structure applicable under your niche which you would choose. So for example, if you choose guitar, then you should find out guitar products, that is musical instrument, that cost around 8, that has an 8% conversion, 8% affiliate commission. So you will receive 8%. So if you choose guitar or any musical instrument, you should write 8%. If you choose books and Kindle books, then it's 10%. So different things. Currently I was researching on keto diet and affiliate marketing. My best niche is affiliate marketing, and second is I was searching for my friend that is a keto diet. So if we see, once you have listed out all your niches, what you should do is go to Amazon.com and search for products. So here you can search for different kinds of products. If your niche is guitar, then you can search for guitar. Under guitar, you can find out $29 to different $39, $67, $120, and you get 8% commission. So if you are starting with guitar, then you can get 8% commission on guitar instruments. If you choose to promote guitar books, then you might be gaining around 10%. So you should list down the products and different categories and different commission structure on that. So this is the step 2, to write down the commission structure. Now the step 3 to understanding in this formula is to find out the SEO difficulty of the niche. Now, what is SEO difficulty? SEO difficulty is the rate at which it's a scale, on the scale of 1 to 100, how much difficult a niche is. You have to understand it, you have to research on it, that even if you receive high commissions on some products, but if their SEO difficulty is, if they are highly competitive, you will never be able to rank on those keywords, and so you might not be able to make any money against those keywords, even though they might be highly profitable and highly lucrative, their commission structure might be huge, but due to oversaturation, due to highly saturated or heavy competition in that product, top people might be ranking on top keywords, so it might be hard. So the rule of thumb on finding out SEO difficulty is always, when you're beginning on your affiliate marketing journey, always choose SEO difficulty for less than 40. 40 is like a range at 1 to 100. From 1 to 100, 40 is the range below which we should select our SEO difficulty. So if whatever niche you select, you should go below 40. So how to find out the SEO difficulty? Now it is for the beginning that we should go for below 40. Once for the keywords and niche, once our blog is 5 to 6 months old, we can go on high working keywords, high pay, huge competitive keywords, and I will show you in a blueprint how to when and where to go for a high rated keywords. Now, how to find out the SEO difficulty? There's a free tool available for the same known as Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. Ubersuggest is a free keyword tool provided by Mr. Neil Patel, under which if you write any keyword and you can select whichever country you would like to find out, and you can find out keyword. So for example, as I said, recently I was doing research on keto diet because I was working with my client. So let's see the keto diet keyword and see their profitability and their difficulty. So all you have to do is keto diet, search it, you select the country with their language and search it. Now this is a very fantastic tool. It's fully free. It gives you all the keyword ideas, content ideas. You can find everything. Now if we see keto diet generally is a search volume of 22,40,000 per month with SEO difficulty of 77. So it is highly difficult to rank this keyword 77. But what the good thing about this tool provided by Mr. Neil Patel is the keyword ideas. So you can find out other keywords where you can find out different ways to rank a keyword and find out whether whether any keyword is available to rank, and we can profit on that. So how to find out keywords which are below 40? Now just to give you what this tool is, here is the keyword listed, here is the monthly volume search of the keyword, CPC is for advertisers, paid traffic difficulties when people are paying for this keyword, the difficulty is 100. SEO difficulty is what we have to see. SEO is Google ranking optimization difficulty, search engine optimization, so it is 77. Now to list out all the keyword that are within 1 to 39, all you can do is filter type. Go to filters. Here you will find SEO difficulty. Write down from 1 to 39. We want keywords for 1 to 39. This will make your keywords and niche research very easy. You can apply this filter and you can find out. So we have these keywords which have volume of 33,100 and SEO difficulty is 34. You can see these all are in greens. So when anything is green or as I said it is below 40, it means that they are rankable. You can easily, even a beginner can rank these keywords if they write a good content and have a good website, then they can rank this keyword. So we have many keywords with volume of 33,100 volume and SEO difficulty is 34, so it is viable. We can rank this keyword for this keyword. So the keyword we have is keto diet meal plan. So if we go on Amazon, if we search for keto diet meal plan, keto diet also if we search, then we have these keto diet for beginners. So we can promote this product with meal plans for $7, keto comfort foods, ketogenic diet. So these all are books costing at $15, and we can promote this on we can write a blog about it and we can promote these product. So we can promote under this keyword keto diet meal plan. We can give 5 to 6 meal plan, and under that we can suggest a good product. Keto diet for vegetarians, we can list different foods and products for vegetarians under keto diet. We can write an article about that and paste it on our website, and we can list various products. You can see these both keyword has good searches, monthly 18,100 searches, and they are easily rankable, so we can write on that. Keto diet vegetarian, this is also good. Keto diet grocery list, now this is one thing, it's 19, so it is easily rankable. 12,100 searches, 19 easily rankable. All you have to do is just write one article about different keyword groceries. So what you can do is write one article about keyword grocery list and write down the products that are available on Amazon and give a link of your affiliate link of your Amazon product on this, on your article, and any person who goes on Amazon through your affiliate link will buy the product. So this is how you do a keyword research. You have to find out whether your niche has a SEO difficulty or less than 40. So what you have to do is you have to find 10 to 20 keywords. Whatever niche you have selected, find out 10 to 20 keywords that are below 40 and has at least searches of more than 100, 200 or 500 to 1000 per month. It has more than 200 to 300 searches per month. It has less than 40 difficulty on keyword, and it should be 20 to 30 keywords. If you find out such kind of keywords on a niche, then it is a profitable niche. It should have a good commission rate, which is more than 4% or up to 4% or more than 4%. If these conditions satisfy on your niche, the best commission rates that are available along with the good difficulty, you should have at least 10 to 20 keywords, again with less than 39, less than 40 difficulty, and they should have at least the combined total of all of them should be more than 2000 to 3000 searches. It should be 10,000 searches monthly. For a beginner, ahead we can go for, after a period of time we can go for high competitive keywords and rank for that. For a beginner, it should be the basic things, and if you can find out all these things, then you should pick that niche. That should be your niche and you should go ahead with that. In this course, now we are going ahead with keto diet as our niche for keyword research. We are going to go in the next lecture. I'm going to show you how to search keyword using Ubersuggest and how to make our keywords. So I hope you have learned how to find a profitable niche. Now believe me, this is one of the crucial part, so spend as much as time in this part, finding your profitable niche, because this defines the base of your affiliate marketing business. You should make a good you should spend a significant amount of time conducting a research on your niche before you start your website, before you do your keyword researches and any other thing, before writing any article or setting up your website. You should have a good foundation of your keywords and your niche. So do a good keyword research, do a good niche research. In the next lecture we are going for keyword research, and I hope you will find out a good keyword, a good niche which you can rank and you can earn money in your affiliate marketing business. Thank you.